Wallace, you've been caretaker here for 3.5 years?
Yes, I have.
Do you think most people like it here?
Well, yes, I think most people do.
Do you think there's a good neighbourly feeling here?
Oh, definitely there, yes.
Do you think the children who are living in a place like this are going to be better for it?
Well, that's really hard to say, but I think they will in time, yes.
The city has done its best to make it pleasant here. Do you think people are going to appreciate it and look after it?
Oh, definitely, yes, I do.